So one of my personal favorite Seiko mods is the Seiko DateJust in the palm dial. It's a lovely watch, and the green one that we did was the first one that we ever produced, and we also do it in a blue variant as well, and they've sold like absolute hotcakes. So today I thought it'd be a great idea to show you the blue Seiko DateJust palm dial mod in this video and show you what you get inside the box. So you're going to receive the box like this from us, and if you do want to purchase this piece, you can find the link to this in the description below. We have got one more left in stock. You can go grab it and we'll ship it out straight to your door. Once you open the box, you're going to find inside, of course, some bubble wrapping packaging to keep your watch safe. We're also going to give you a little card here which you can use to leave us a review, and you're going to get a nice little leatherette box in which your Seikomod will be presented to you. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what is inside. Alrighty, and here is the Seiko DateJust palm dial in the blue color, guys. Take a look at this stunning piece. Absolutely stunning. This one comes on the Jubilee bracelet. This is all stickered up, ready to go for the customer. Whoever purchases this beautiful piece, you will be the first one to take off all these stickers. And it's in 904L stainless steel, like many of our other watches. Comes with 50 meters water resistance on this one. You've got a fluted bezel on this one, sorry, should I say. You've got the date. You've also got lume. Basically everything that you can think of. And of course you have got the Seiko NH35 on this one, working hard to keep the time. And yeah, just a very nice looking watch. So let's take some measurements of this just to give you an idea. So when it comes to the face, we're looking at about 40 mil. 39-40 mil. When it comes to the bracelet, it's about 19.3 mil, so about 20 millimeters. And for the thickness, we are looking at about 13.3 millimeters. Oh, 12.2 actually. So when it comes to the bracelet, obviously this one's going to come on a Jubilee bracelet, but you can obviously get a bracelet which fits a 20 mil lug to lug width, and you can put in something else. You can put in a rubber band if you want, or a different style of bracelet. This one in particular comes with the Jubilee, but if you do want a different bracelet along with this, a lot of our customers order an extra bracelet. Usually it's the Oyster Flex bracelet, which is a rubber bracelet, or a rubber strap I should say, so that they can swap and change these things out. Please do let us know, and we'll be more than happy to provide you with one. We can tell you how long it's going to be if we don't have one in stock, and if we do have one in stock, obviously we can ship it together. Inside the package, you're also going to get a little tool which is going to allow you to resize the bracelet to your wrist. If you feel comfortable doing it yourself, you can do it yourself. If you don't, please always take it to a jeweler who will be able to do this for you. And if you want us to do it, you can let us know as well. So guys, for this piece, I would definitely say it's a lot more on the formal side. Of course, you can wear it as a casual piece as well, but it looks very nice in a formal setting. When you're wearing an office shirt, or if you're wearing a suit, this is going to look really nice with that. But yeah, I guess the palm dial kind of gives it a very nice, playful sort of character. Perfect piece for the vacation or a holiday. If you're going on the beach somewhere, this is going to look really nice. So yeah, like I said, if you do want to purchase this, we have one more left in stock. Link to this is going to be in the description below. Go check it out. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.